So this particular piece have been manufactured in 2018, but the model itself have been around for almost 7 years. It's selling now for about $130 on the official websites, and you can get it a little bit cheaper elsewhere. So I have seen the microphone around the web, but I haven't seen any unboxing video. So this will be quite an experience for me. Especially I'm not used to high-end audio gear. So we have the manuals. This registration card seems like a good quality paper. Okay, so nothing out of the ordinary here. Oh, that's cool. So it's like a leather case for the accessories of the microphone, I guess. Let's check it out. Okay, yeah, so this is the cable. Wow, it's heavy as well. Quite heavy. It's yeah, should be enough quality there for the audio. And this is like another piece, it's heavy as well. So this is like the tripod, it's heavy as well. All of them seem like to be metal. We'll check them out now. Okay, so up to the microphone. Let's pull it out. Wow, this is heavy. It's definitely not plastic. Give me a second. Put this aside. Okay, so wow, this is definitely metal. It's not just metal, it's like a block of metal. It's so heavy. It's so cool. Like you feel it in your hand. No wonder I've stuck around all these years. The metal itself is like some form of like a cast metal. It seems like you are holding a piece of concrete. So cool. You cannot explain it, you just have to hold it in your hand. No wonder it is like one of the best selling in the world. So good. It's amazing. So good, really. Okay, so you have your headphone jack in the back. You have two controls in the front, and at the bottom you have the USB. Okay, let's put this aside for now, and let's collect everything back in here. So sorry about my very small light box. Okay, we have the cables. We have the tripod. Let's check it out. It's definitely metal. Oh yeah, this is metal. Okay, and it's a little bit of heft to it. The legs also are very sturdy. It's not easy to open. So I can imagine this lasting years. Oh, okay. So it's like every penny you're paying for this is really worth it. Just from the material perspective, the quality is unbelievable. Okay, up to this is the last piece, which is I guess part of the tripod itself. It's also metal. The hand itself is plastic, but everything else is metal. You can see the threads quality is so amazing. The dial, this dial, it's like dial shape. Maybe it's like to tighten the microphone in. Okay, so cool. Literally, it can last literally years. Based on my very little experience, I think yeah, this is really, at least it can last like for 3 to 5 years. Okay, it's not easy to screw in, but once you do, it's very sturdy. Okay, let's put the microphone in. Surprisingly easy to assemble, and also it feels so good, really. Okay, let's try to move this around. It's not easy to move, but I guess that's a good quality to avoid any issues while you're recording. You can screw it to any position, but I guess you have to raise it up a bit. Yeah, maybe that position. Wow, this is really cool. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.